Number 6 says, a certain radioactive element decays over time according to the equation A times 1/2 raised to the T over 3 power, where A is the number of grams present initially and T is the time in years. So if 6,000 grams were present initially, that must be our A. How many grams will remain after 12 years? That must be our T. So this is really just a plug-in problem. Substitute it in and then do your order of operations. And the order of operations is what you must really pay attention to. So plugging this stuff in, we want to figure out y is equal to A, which we know is 6,000, times 1/2 raised to the T over 3, or 12 over 3 power. Now make sure, look how I wrote this, it's still an exponent. I know a lot of us still tend to write it as times 12 over 3, and that's why we're also making mistakes. This is not 1/2 times 12 over 3, it's 1/2 raised to the 12 over 3 power, or what that is actually equal to is the 4th power, because 12 over 3 is 4. So now it's an order of operations problem. Do I want to do exponents first, or do I want to do division and multiplication first? And clearly we want to do the exponent first because that comes first in our order of operations. So it's 1/2 to the 4th power, which is the same thing as 1 to the 4th over 2 to the 4th. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So this is replaced with 1 over 16. And now it's just multiplication that's left. And remember, when you're multiplying by a fraction, you can just think multiply the top, divide by the bottom. So this is really 6,000 divided by 16. So I'll just do a little bit of long division here to get the answer. See, 16 goes into there 0 times, 16 goes into this 3 times. You get 48. So 10 minus 8 is 2. We borrowed from that. So I get 12. Bring down the next one. So right away I can see the answer C, since it's the only one that starts with the 3. But let's keep going. 16 goes into 120 about 7 times. 7 times 6 is 42. Carry the 4. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 is 11. And I get 8. Bring down the last one. And 16 goes into 80. I know that goes in exactly 5 times. 5 times that is 80. And no remainder. So 375 is our answer.